All right, guys, this is William James. How are you today? And today I have an awesome guest with me today named Amanda Wray, and I'm actually kind of nervous to introduce her because she's one of the coolest people that I've met online. I just met you, Amanda, like 2 months ago, something like that, on Facebook, and I've been doing this for a long time. And I got to say, she's one of the most badass people in this industry I've ever met. So today she's here to talk to you about the amazing course and method that she created called the S3 method, which allows people to earn a full-time income online without recruiting or marketing or selling anything or talking to anyone. So if you have been looking around online, maybe struggling with a program that has required you to recruit or to sell something or to learn marketing, that's a very difficult skill set. And if you've been struggling with that, totally makes sense. And I think Amanda created this method for people who have been really struggling with that and looking for a way that they can make a full-time income without having to learn marketing and learn sales and learn, how to make videos and talk to people all day, and like it just gets way too complicated. So she created this amazing course, which is very, very simple. It shows you this incredible way to earn a full-time living online without talking to anyone. And it's kind of weird because it's like this open secret. This thing has been out there on the internet for a long time, and I guess nobody just knows about it. And Amanda has kind of done this very simple training where she just shows you how to do it, and it works, and it's incredible. So Amanda, can you say a little bit more about yourself maybe and your reason for creating this amazing course?
Yes, thank you so much, William. And thanks so much. I'm so happy that I met you as well. And we're building a relationship and we're growing as a team. I'm extremely excited about that. And for those that don't know, I'm a single mom of two. I've been online since 2015. And after struggling for over a year, about a year and a half, I finally tapped into how to earn consistently. And, it seemed like getting into all of these different programs, it was like a secret. Like, no one really would tell you what to do or how to earn or really be able to put the pieces of the puzzle together to start earning consistently online. So what I realized is that even though I tapped into the online industry and earning consistently and being able to build a full-time income, now earning 6 figures a year, it really was something difficult for a lot of people to tap into. And you know what? It is a skill set. It's something that a lot of people can do, but it really takes time. And what I feel is that a lot of people, they don't have the time or the patience or even the education sometimes to really put all of the pieces of the puzzle together, or they just don't know where to start. So the reason why I came up with the S3 method is because most people are online because they want to learn affiliate marketing or multi-level marketing. They've probably seen a program that they really loved. They've seen a program that they were really into, but they just couldn't put the pieces of the puzzle together to start earning consistently. So the S3 method was created so that people can start earning while they learn. Because with the online industry, it is about multiple streams of income, but it's also about trying to find the easiest and the fastest way to earn without having to break the bank, okay? And as a single mom, I realized that. I'm like, listen, we have to find a way that most people can afford this. They're not putting a ton of money out there on a monthly basis, and it's something that's extremely doable and duplicatable. So, coming up with the S3 method was just to tap into all of the people that were out there that was asking me, how did you do it? And is there an easier way for me to do this? And that's why I created the S3 method, because I was able to tap in to a few methods to earn consistently and then be able to spread that to other people so that they can start doing the same. And then, of course, we have the mastermind. If people want that one-on-one group training, one-on-one/group training that will help you to just speed things along much faster and really start earning more money over the course of the next 3, 6 to 9 months. So that's pretty much, why I decided to put this together.
Awesome. One of the things that I love about this is in the Facebook group, coming in every day, there's people in the Facebook group showing their earnings. And, so many of these people are people who have never made a dime online before. And they're coming in every day and they're just like so excited about the money that they're making. And this is a program where you can start making money the first day that you join, right? And or like the second day, maybe something like that, depending on when you start. But that is just so exciting for so many people to come in and not have to like learn a skill or sell anything, or, you know, like learn how to do more than, you know, some very, very simple tasks, and they can earn, you know, within a day or two. It's very exciting. In fact, didn't you have your 12-year-old niece doing this with you? And yeah, I remember that video. maybe I'll find a clip of that somewhere. That's somewhere out there. You have your 12-year-old niece and she was doing it, and it's just that easy. Like I was watching that, and I was thinking, you know, you could have like a 5-year-old could do this. It could be anyone. There's no kind of skill involved in it, nothing to learn really. You just have to see what to do and be able to follow instructions, and that's pretty awesome. So can you pull up the Facebook group and just show that people are doing this and what they're saying?
Absolutely. So just let me know when you can see my screen.
Yep.
Okay, great. So anybody can become a part of the prospecting group, which we have on Facebook. If you just type in S3 Method Prospecting Group, it'll bring up the group, and this is what the cover photo looks like. And then these are basically all of the results that people are getting within our group. So as you can see, it's all I did was go to photos, and it is extremely, it's like it's never ending. So it's really just exciting because, like, you know, we started the beginning of January. We didn't come up with this group until, I think this group has been up for about 2.5 weeks. And just look at all of the results in just 2.5 weeks. It's just phenomenal. And we're going to continue to put up more and more payment proofs. And not only that, a lot of training. And then we also have weekly meetings so that people are always tapped into what we do. And then with the amount of people that are actually participating in this group and selling a product to other people that are ready to get started, we literally hit over, just launching January 4th, we were over $122,000 in gross volume. So that just goes to show you it works. It's a lot of people that are consistently participating. And what I tell people is this is not a get rich quick overnight scheme, but this is definitely something, if you have patience and you have the drive to be successful, just doing a few things per day can allow you to start building a consistent income online. And that's really what it's all about, growing little by little over the months, which it becomes, you know, a big amount of money over the months. So my goal is to have everyone on our team earning between $3,000 to $5,000 per month, every single month, within the first 4 to 6 months of being in this program. And I stand by that, because if I can do it, I know anyone else can do it. I didn't go to college for this. I don't have marketing skills that I went to school for. It was just a few things that I applied consistently that has allowed me to generate a full-time income.
Yeah, I think people should be aware that when you get started doing this, you know, the income that comes in grows slowly. You know, I remember when I first started, it was like, I think my first day I made like $10, and then it just kind of slowly grew from there.
Yes, it's a snowball effect. It definitely is a snowball effect. And what we're doing now is we're just adding more ways that people can earn without recruiting. So we started out with 1, and now we have 3. And what we're going to do is just keep compiling all of these different methods that people can use. It's not going to take a lot of time to do, and it's something easy enough for anyone to do. All they have to do is apply some time, a little bit of time. And, you know, people ask me, well, how much time do I normally need? And I tell everyone about an hour to an hour and a half per day is more than doable to start seeing some type of results and start building upon those results week after week.
Yeah. I mean, it's very exciting that in this industry in general, there's, what is this, like a 97% failure rate? And
yes.
in our group, I think we have a 0% failure rate. I don't think there's anybody who has joined this who has not had some success. And some people, you know, the ones who are more consistent and are sort of paying attention and actually following what you're doing are having, you know, pretty life-changing success.
Yeah, well, what we did is the people that are doing really well didn't mind, and I thank God for them. They didn't mind teaming up with people that just started to get them going. And, you know, we have a lot of people that, you know, said, Amanda, I'm here, I'm available. If people need to, you can plug them in with me and I'll get them going. Because we have so many people that, you know, are just successful at this and they want to see other people have success. So we have a huge team and a great group of people that we're just learning and growing together. So it's really phenomenal.
Okay, so to wrap up, if you could say in you know, just 30 seconds, why should somebody get involved with the S3 method? Who is this for and what can they expect to get out of this?
This is for the stay-at-home mom, stay-at-home dad. This is for the veteran out there that needs to start bringing in some income. This is for any baby boomers out there that's looking for an income. If you're a college student looking for a part-time or full-time income, all you need is Wi-Fi, you need a laptop or a smartphone, and you need to just have some type of consistency. Like I tell people, it's not about this being hard and it's not about it being easy. It's just about being consistent. If you're consistent and you just plug into what is being taught and you are patient with the process, and that's another thing I can't stress more than anything else, is just being patient with the process, you will slowly see a phenomenal growth within your business online if you join the S3 method. And that's why I put it together, because people need to be able to earn while they learn. And if I can do that, I feel good about it.
Absolutely. All right. Oh, there's one other thing. You have to be in the United States. That's the only other
Yes.
requirement, right?
Yes, in the U.S.
Okay. Cool. All right, Amanda. Well, thank you so much. I'll talk to you very soon, and I'll let you get on with your busy life there.
Thank you so much for the interview, William. You have a great day.
Okay, you too. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.